Good Friday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's go ahead and start off with this weather. Looking down where we are, we have a couple of showers off the coast to our north, but other than that, everyone seems relatively dry for right now. Going down to our south and west, we have a couple of scattered showers in Georgia, and then a lot of heavy downpours off the coast of places like Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, and Florida. Then looking over to our west towards Texas, we have a bunch of precipitation over there, especially near the Panhandle, near like Amarillo, Lubbock, Wichita Falls, Abilene, Odessa, and places like that. And then we have some snow up near Denver and Pueblo, Colorado. Going to the west, we have some mixed precipitation, especially from Sacramento all the way up north to Victoria, and then we have a lot of snow and mixed precipitation up inside the Northeast, going into upstate New York, Michigan, and then Wisconsin and Iowa. And then we also have some reports as well near Buffalo. A lot of flooding problems is going on near Buffalo right now, which is why they have flood reports going on right now. Looking at our cloud cover, though, we have pretty much some scattered cloud cover going all the way from southern Columbia all the way to our east towards Florence and the west towards Augusta. Everyone else seems to be either just partly cloudy or mostly cloudy, or some areas could even be a bit clear at times. But as of right now, it's just looking like the main spots right now for cloud cover is probably down near the Columbia area and just south of Columbia. Now going to our current temperature, 64 near Columbia, 63 near Augusta, 66 near Savannah, 64 near Charleston, 64 near Florence, 65 near Myrtle Beach, and we have to our south 65 near Tallahassee, 68 Gainesville, 69 in Jacksonville. To our west 54 in Jackson, 61 in Baton Rouge, 58 in Birmingham, 54 in Huntsville, 55 in Chattanooga, and then to our north 63 in Charlotte, 63 in Greensboro, 63 in Raleigh, and 64 in Fayetteville. Now going to our maximum temperatures, we have around 76 in Columbia, 77 at Sumter, 78 at Florence, 69 at Myrtle Beach, 70 at Charleston, and then 70s all the way up into the upstate as well. Here's our max wind gust. No wind gust is expected. It's just around 10 to 15 miles an hour. So, not really that much. You probably won't even be able to feel it. Here is our 24-hour precipitation. If you look downward, like Louisiana, they get around a good 2 inches of rain, which is why we have the excessive rainfall thing up today. And if you saw those showers that I just showed you off the coast of Louisiana, if you look down to where Louisiana is, you see all these showers. That's potentially why that stuff is happening and why they're going to get around 2 inches. Here we are, around a tenth of an inch, pretty much all over the state, pretty much. The only place that might not get a tenth is like near like the Florence or Rock Hill regions. But and then that everyone will probably see around a tenth of an inch of rain today. And then going over to our radar, here's why. If we're going ahead and push this thing forward, you can see we're relatively dry for the afternoon, relatively dry. And then when we get to around 3, 4 a.m., you can start to see these showers and these showers just coming through. And then we push this forward some more, and then those showers start to become more widespread. And then we possibly even have some storms right behind it. As you can see, those reds down there near the Georgia South Carolina line. Potentially some storms could come through. So I would not be surprised if you could hear a rumble of thunder tomorrow morning, or even just tomorrow in general. But again, if he pushes forward, showers and some possible downpours are possible. So I would not rule it out tomorrow morning. Here's our SBC outlook. We are inside of a general risk of storms, so pretty much no severe storms is expected at this time, but we do have a chance to see some type of thunderstorm over just like the next day and then going into tomorrow morning as well. So that's why I said we have to watch for those thunderstorms. And then here's the excessive rainfall outlook, the thing that I was just showing y'all earlier with the 2 inches of rain. We have a slight risk for Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, and then we have a marginal risk for eastern Texas, southern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, most of Alabama, the panhandle of Florida, and then Georgia as well. So that's gonna about wrap it up. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow with another weather video.